What's going on, everybody? It's John from Hot Lap RC. We're taking a look this time at the Traxxas four-wheel drive VXL, the brushless edition, with onboard sound. If you're not familiar with onboard sound, it's basically where they recorded the sound of a V8 super truck and put some speakers in it, and it kind of sounds pretty awesome, I think. Some people hate it, some people love it. It can be annoying, but if I'm out here by myself, I gotta say I absolutely love it. Now, they did come with this little special controller with this. It actually has like a neutral, where if you flip that over, you can rev the engine and the truck doesn't drive. Now, I've got mine submerged in water many times, and you can see I'm having some issues, but you can hear it.
Minutes left.
So when I switch it over, it'll engage the gears. I gotta say, it's handling wonky right now.
Five minutes left.
I'm not sure why. It's definitely handling a little wonky right now. Lap monitor's not picking it up for some reason. It's not powering the little module inside the truck. So that's not working. But I am curious as to why everything seems like it's dancing around, and the only thing I can think of is I put these speed treads on here from Dynamite. See, this is where it's annoying, where I can't talk. So I put these tires on there, but they're all wet, so they're like real heavy. I tried to get as much of the water out of them as I could, which was a lot of water, but I think it might be throwing the truck off. So anyway, back to what we're talking about, onboard sound.
4 minutes left. Minutes left.
No! Everyone says on the videos why I don't push it so hard. The video is not as exciting when we're constantly walking over to the truck. I don't have a dedicated marshal, so we end up walking the whole time.
Minutes left.
Definitely have to fix these ramps soon.
One minute left.
Some reason, I guess with these tires, I can't get it to do the donuts. Yep, that's still broken, still doing it. Feels like it's two-wheel drive now. Sure enough, is two-wheel drive now. Broken axle.
Race complete.
Like I said, it's definitely interesting. I've also gotten those speakers wet a lot. I think it sounded better out of the box. And, you know, you decide. What do you guys think? Sound off. You like the onboard sound, or you think it's dumb? My son thinks it's the absolute coolest thing, and it definitely gives me something to think about, something to listen to as this thing's racing around the track by myself half the time. So, give me your thoughts, guys. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. See you next time.